Hey guys, let's look at this small question. As you can see there, I think it has to involve the completion of the square. We have to find or determine the values of p if g of x is given there, has a maximum value of 3 whole number 1 over 8. So how can we do this? Okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, let's have a look at this. Like I said, it involves the completion of the square. Let me go and have my white color there. So we given f of x, g of x as negative 2x squared minus px plus 3. And they said it has the maximum of 3 whole number 1 over 8. So let's firstly, like I said, let's complete the square. If we complete the square of this here, what we need to do, we can factor out 2. Then we'll have this. We factor out 2 as 2 divide each term inside by that negative 2. So we have 3 over 2. And after that, we can have our, say, negative 2 still. We have x squared plus p over 2. I forgot my x here. Let me place my x. Then when you complete the square, you need to halve the coefficient of x, or you multiply the coefficient of x by half. So here's the coefficient of x. We multiply by half. And we subtract its result here, which will be p times 1, which is p squared, over 2 times 2, inside the brackets 2 times 2, which is 4 square, which is 16. Let's not forget that we also have this plus 3 over 2. So from there, you still have your minus 2 outside. Then you're going to have x. What's inside the brackets there? We have p over 4. We're going to have, we have plus p over 4. So from there, we're going to also have p squared over 16 plus, we have to multiply, let me use different color. We have to multiply here by 8 over 8, so that we can have the denominator as 16 down there. The denominator as 16. This is what I'm saying. We're going to have 24 over 16. So once we have this, we can multiply in -2, the one which is outside. Let's multiply it inside. We're going to have -2 into like this, x plus p over 4. Then we multiply in the 2 here will tend to be positive, p square over 8 minus, we're going to have 24 over 8. Over 8, just like this so far. But because of the question, they said where the maximum is 3 whole number 1 over 8. So the maximum will be given by this portion. We'll take this and equate to 3 whole number 1 over 8. So we take p squared. We take p squared. Let me write nicely. We take p squared over 8 minus 24 over 8. We equate to 3 whole number 1 over 8. And this will be p squared over 8 equals to 25 over 8. That is the same as 3 whole number 1 over 8 plus 24 over 8. We can multiply both sides by 8 to get rid of the denominator 8. So we are left with p squared equals to 49, meaning that p will be equals to plus or minus 7 when we remove the square. So I hope you guys you were following, since from there beginning there you saw what went down. Basically here you need to remember your completion of the square. After completing the square, you go and take this, which is q. You equate to 3 whole number 1 over 8. From there you can go along to solve the value of p, which in this case p will be plus or minus 7. I hope you understood that, and make sure for more information do come back to me and ask or WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me on the numbers below. Make sure do enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe and learn more with us. You can even WhatsApp or call me to give me some to inquire of anything, extra classes or anything you wanna know. I'll be so glad to help you. Thank you for joining this, and see you next time. Okay, thank you.